Video I will show you how to start stream on MeetMe dating app. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open MeetMe like this first, and when it will open, you should go and click here on live. So here on live, you see here people that are in stream. If you want to start stream, click start stream and click go to settings, and you should give permission first to MeetMe app. Give permission to microphone, and then you go back and let's see if it's working now. And right now guys, when I back, it open right now on the stream. So I have to add some description and tags. For example, I would just say friends, I don't know, and then just click start when you are done, guys. For me, I don't want to start a stream because I don't want. And that's all, guys. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.